Let me be completely honest with you. I wasn't always this happy, this hopeful, and this positive about life. Yes, there was a time in my life जहाँ मैं बहुत procrastinate, बहुत self doubt और बहुत सारे stress के साथ जी रही थी. I was thinking कि मेरा career कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. मुझे ये लगता था कि मेरे अपने ही हाथों से मेरी life slip हो रही है. I used to think that I have no control over my life, my mind, and everything is just happening to me, and I was not able to change it. I was not able to change how my mind would work. I would not have any sort of control over my thoughts, and this used to be my life for a long time. Until I came across this book called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. I was just randomly scrolling through Instagram and I came across this book where somebody suggested how useful this book has been to them. And that is when I decided that I wanted to read this book. Luckily, my birthday was around the corner and my friends just asked me, like, what do you want for your birthday? So I asked them to order me this book. You can see the condition, you can see by the condition the covers have been worn off. That's the amount of times I've read this book, and this book has literally been the game changer. You can see it right here. This is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And I am so grateful that I came across this book because there is some magic in this book. If you read it, I know a lot of people that have read this book and have changed nothing, and they still live the same life, they have the same mindsets, they go through and see life in the same way. But after reading this book, everything is just like flipped for me. This is how powerful this book is. This book gave me confidence, clarity, and most importantly, it gave me the control of my mind and of my life. If you're someone who thinks that life just happens to them, they have no control over their lives, only bad things happen to them, they fail every time they try something new, and nobody actually cares or actually supports them, then this video is for you. Hello, pretty souls. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pankhuri and I am your Hype Girl. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how this book literally changed everything about my life. It changed my personality, my mindsets, and how I live and see life. I realized कि हम सबके अंदर एक hidden superpower है. प्रॉब्लम वहां आ जाती है जब आपको उसे यूज करना नहीं आता है. एंड सबसे ज्यादा डेंजरस बात तो तब है कि आप अनकॉन्शियसली ही उस सुपर पावर को अपने अगेंस्ट यूज कर रहे होते हैं. एंड दैट सुपर पावर इज नथिंग बट योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक अ जीनी इनसाइड योर माइंड. थिंक अबाउट इट. इट्स लाइक हैविंग अ जीनी इनसाइड यू जो तुम्हारा हर कमांड सुनता है. बट द कैच इज, नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव, वो तुम्हारा हर कमांड सुनता है एंड फॉलोज इट. After reading this book, I realized that it was not that my life was stuck or I felt purposeless all the time. I realized that maybe I was the one who was the culprit because I was giving the wrong instructions or the wrong commands to my subconscious mind. अब ये सोचो कि तुम अलादीन हो एंड योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज द जीनी. जो जो तुम कहोगे वो वैसे ही लाइन टू लाइन फॉलो करेगा. मैं पहले सोचा करती थी और कहती थी अपने आप से, लोगों से, कि आई एम सो अनलकी, वट एवर आई ट्राई आई फेल, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सक्सीड, ओनली बैड थिंग्स हैपन टू मी. एंड गेस वॉट, एग्जैक्टली दैट यूज टू हैपन. बैड सिचुएशंस, बैड वाइब्स, बैड पीपल एंड बैड आउटकम्स. फिर मैंने सोचा कि अगर वही सब हो रहा है जो मैं कह रही हूँ, मेरी लाइफ में वही सारी चीजें हो रही है जो मैं कह रही हूँ, so why not change the script? Why not say something that I actually want to happen in my life? I have multiple examples. मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ, maybe I'm at work or with friends, I've always heard people say things like,
मैंने ये जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया, आई नो मैं रिजेक्ट हो जाऊंगा, मुझे पता है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी फेस अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस, मैं तो कहीं भी अप्लाई करूं मेरा तो कहीं चांस ही नहीं लगता है. और I've also heard people say कि no matter how much I eat, I'm always going to be thin because my metabolism is so fast. And when you actually look at those people, they are actually very thin. And why? Because their subconscious mind is listening to it and acting accordingly.
or whatever they're saying, they start to look like that. Why? Your subconscious mind is a gene. हम सबके अंदर ये सुपर पावर है. हर इंसान में ये सुपर पावर है, but people don't even realize it. Book is so magical. You can just open any random page and start reading it, and you would find answers of whatever things you're looking for. I've read this book and reread it so many times. Anytime I have like a bad day, or I just feel too jumbled up with my emotions, or I feel a bit stuck in my mind, I just open a random page. And let me tell you that I have lined, underlined, and noted down so many things. I'm not sure if you can see that I've like made markings, I've written notes, because it is such a powerful book. I've written here, I am what I think, which is actually so true, because since the day that I've changed my self concept about myself, I have changed the way I think about myself and I think about life. My life actually started changing. I used to feel so lost and so done with everything. And I used to feel so hopeless कि अब मेरे लाइफ का आगे होगा ये क्या, मतलब, और ये पूरा टाइम कोविड का टाइम था, where things were really negative, and there was just a lot of negativity in the air all around the world. And that is when I came across this wonderful book. After reading it, I just realized that I was looking for things in the wrong place. I was always looking outwards for help, for ideas, for creativity, or for any sort of validation. I was always looking outwards. I was looking for tools to be successful outwards, like in the world, in the outside world. But everything I needed to succeed in life and make a beautiful life was already within me. It's already here, and I was not using it. In fact, I was using it against my own self. The first chapter is The Treasure House Within You. I have marked this line and I'm going to read it for you as to why I loved it. Within your subconscious depths lie infinite wisdom, infinite power, and an infinite supply of all that is necessary. Right when I said that I was always looking for things outwards in the world where everything that I needed was within me. The next line it says is, it is waiting there for you to give it development and expression. It is waiting for you to acknowledge it. It is waiting for you to accept its power. You will never need anything else in your life after knowing that all that you need and require is here. It's all right here in your mind. It's all deep within you. You just need to acknowledge and realize how powerful it is. Now, if I compare my life to what it was before I read this book and then to what it is now after reading the book, let me tell you the major distinctions. I was less happier, less confident, had bad friends, had bad company, had lesser ambitions. Maybe I had ambitions, I did not know how to act on them. Compared to what my life looks now, I have amazing friendships, a beautiful job, a beautiful life that I have built with using my subconscious mind, and I'm so much more confident, so much more happier, so much more content, and I just wake up every day with such hope, such positivity, and such happiness running through my veins. And now another lesson that I learned from this book is that visualization is really powerful. It's a very powerful tool only if you know how to visualize correctly. I would be making a separate video on the process of visualization and how you can do it effectively. Now, I'm a live example of that. When I was working in my previous company, I wanted to work in a really nice, in a very posh building. And I always used to, imagine that I'm walking through the doors. It's a five star kind of a office. It's very posh. It's very luxurious. Fast forward to now, my reality is that I work in an office. The building is absolutely beautiful. When you enter the building, it feels like you're walking into a five-star resort. That's my reality, because I used to imagine that I wanted to work in such a building. I wanted to work in such an office, and I'm working in that right now. That's my reality. Why? Because I visualized it. That is when it clicked me. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming. It's literally a rehearsal for your reality. You need to play the right movie in your mind for the subconscious to make it into your reality. Now, as I'm recording this video, I realize that me talking to you right now in front of a camera was once a dream. I once visualized it. I used to stand in front of a mirror and deliver speeches. I never thought that this would manifest and become a reality where I would have my own YouTube channel. Firstly, I would like to thank all 193 subscribers of you. I'm like so happy. I woke up this morning with 193 subscribers. I'm so grateful to each one of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And this is my reality. Why? Because I practiced it. I rehearsed it so many times. I used to give speeches to my imaginary audience, and now I actually have an audience that listens to my videos and likes it. That is again visualization put into reality. Whatever you project inside, you will experience on the outside. Problem happens is when we daydream about things in a negative aspect, we always think ki what if we are doing this and then something bad happens, and then we start a chain of thoughts, and unfortunately those thoughts are negative. We always think about worst case scenarios and make plans from that point of view. I have seen a lot of people worry about the smallest of the reasons. For example, one of my friend was going to a vacation, and instead of thinking and talking to me about how lovely that vacation is going to be, they were constantly thinking, what if I miss my flight? It's a new country, whatever. What if this happens? What if that happens? What if I get robbed? What if I lose my passport or my jewelry or whatever it is? They were literally visualizing everything to go wrong. They were literally planning for their own discomfort, and they did end up getting into an uncomfortable situation in a foreign country. I've literally gifted this book to so many people, suggested this book to so many people, and they've all come back to me and said that this was the best book that they could read. And I want a lot of people to actually read this book, and not just read this book, because I personally know many people that have read this book and changed nothing. I want you to read it and understand and feel every line of it so that you can actually make the changes in your life. Because I could do that, and I could see how wonderful and beautiful my life has turned out to be. And if you can learn anything from this video, is to just go and get this book. It's not going to cost you more than 250 or 300 rupees in India. This is literally the best thing that you can buy for yourself. Read it, understand it, and then apply it in your life and see how magical everything happens to be. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a part of this journey, I would really want each and every one of you to succeed and build the life of your dreams. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Do give it a like and drop in the comments if you love this video. See you in the next video. Bye.